what pushes me to be successful in what I do is yung anger behind. And then dumadating sa point na because of that, kapag may na-achieve akong tagumpay or success, isa-sabotage ko ulit yung sarili ko for me to be angry again and then for me to push myself again. Kaya lang nakakapagod.
Nakapagod nga.
Nakakapagod na siya.
Pero
aware
common
ka?
yun, ah.
Pero aware ka? I mean, nagugulat ako kasi aware siya na sinasabotage niya yung sarili niya.
Yung
Kasi
awareness,
some other people are not aware.
ang nangyari, awareness, nangyari after na, nung transformation, nung binabalik ako, oh my, every 7 years, every 7 years, sinasabotage ko yung sarili ko. For example, nung college, naging chemistry quiz bee champion pa ako, pang third out of 2,000 students sa engineering. And one semester na lang, sabi ko, ayoko na. Drop out ako.